everyone, welcome back to my channel Angel'sWorld. In today's video, I am here with a snack recipe with rice flour, which is nothing but rose cookies, which we call as Achappam, which is a signature traditional food of Syrian Christians in Kerala. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Come, let's move on to the video.
This is half kg of raw rice. I have soaked in water for 4 to 6 hours. Now we have to drain it out. Have kept for draining. I have taken half kg of rice and it have got soaked into water for 4 to 5 hours. After that I have made it into powder and have strained it properly to get a fine powder. And have taken 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, then 4 egg, then 2 cup of coconut and jeera, salt to the taste, a pinch of salt is required and a cup of sugar. As a first step, I am going to get the milk of this grated coconut. For making the milk, we have to add 1 cup of water to this. 2 cup of grated coconut is there and I'm going to add 1 cup of water and going to make the milk. Here our coconut milk is ready. Second step, we have to beat the egg with sugar. I have taken 4 egg and 1 cup of sugar and I'm going to beat the egg. So here our egg is ready. To this a pinch of salt is been added and a spoon of cumin or jeera. Now I'm going to add rice part by part and mix it well. We can now mix Maida with milk, coconut milk. This we are doing in order to prevent the lumps. Add it to the batter. So I have added 4 egg. To that I have added rice flour and to this milk, coconut milk and Maida mix. We can stir it properly. Salt and sugar to the taste. I have added 1 cup of sugar to this. So here our batter is almost ready. So I'll say once again what all things I have added to make the Achappam. 4 egg I have beaten with 1 cup of sugar and to that I have added half kg of rice flour, that is half kg of rice soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours and then I have made it into a powder and strained it and then added to this, and then 1 cup of Maida and 2 cup of coconut, and coconut I have made to a milk, coconut milk. Then I have mixed everything together, then 1 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt and 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Now we can place the pan. I have taken iron kadhai. To this I'm going to add coconut oil. I'm adding coconut oil. Now I'm going to dip the mold into the oil, boiled oil, so that the batter have to get stick or hold into this mold. Dip this in hot oil for few seconds and shake it. Then dip into the batter. Don't dip fully. See, our Achappam is ready.
Please drop your comments and queries in my Insta or Facebook pages. See you soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.